Guys, what's up? Lever here, back again with a quick update video. I just wanted to make a update about my amp situation. If you guys saw my last video that I posted showing my issue with my amp, it has been solved. Basically, I figured out that, which is right there. So if I go back here, yeah, if you look where the modem is and where the amp is, basically what was happening was the amp was picking up whatever signal was coming from the modem. It was just too close to it, I guess. So I moved it a couple feet away, a couple feet back, and now I'm good. Yeah, I'll do the little test. I'll test it right now. Okay, so I'm just going to flip her on here. Yes, that buzzing is normal. It always buzzes like that. But I'm not getting really any real major. Like, I got my phone by it too, which doesn't help. But yeah, before I was getting static and all sorts of weird shit. But yeah, it's been fixed. It was another stupid thing that I had to figure out. And yeah, my orange amp sounds perfectly fine now. Like I said, it did buzz a little bit because I had my phone right by it. Anything that's an electric that has Wi-Fi or has a signal, anytime you go near an amplifier, it fucks with it. So that's like 100% normal. I still obviously have a little bit of noise from my monitor because my computer's on, my monitor's on. Like my amp is there and my stuff's all over. But yeah, everything seems to be good now. So I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to RMA the amp or anything like that. Yeah, Lever signing off. Peace.